Hello my lovely friends. It is early evening and there's a storm brewing. So my little Suki girl here is on my lap because she doesn't like storms. She gets a bit worried, has a bit of a sook and needs to be sitting on you, which she likes to do anyway, but especially when there's a storm. So, yes, don't you? Oh, precious girl. So, today was Guild Sew Day. I managed to get the bindings on my, see, it's okay. It's okay. It really is. I managed to get the binding on my deer quilt today. Can you hear the thunder? It's all right. It's just thunder. Can you hear it? It's okay. It's okay. So, yeah, binding's on. I want to put a label on because the panel actually came. Yeah, it's all right. The panel came. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. With a really cute label. So I want to put the label on the back of the quilt. Hey, we'll do that later on when you're not so sooky. Will we? Will we do that? So, yeah, and then maybe do a little bit of knitting. I did start a puzzle, another Christmas puzzle. It's an elf Christmas puzzle. I'll be able to show you that soon too. But unfortunately, I'm stuck. I'm very, very stuck at the moment. Oh, because the puppy doesn't like storms. Which is great living in Queensland where we have a storm like nearly every afternoon in summer. Never mind, it's just lots of cuddles. Lots of cuddles. Clayton's actually out fishing in this, so I wonder how long it'll be before he comes home. Because I don't think, well, it hasn't started raining yet. There's just lots of thunder and lightning. But you don't really want to be out with a fishing rod when there's lightning around. But anyway, I'll wait for this storm to pass. I'll snuggle with this girl and then we'll catch up a bit later on. Well, lovely friends, we are going to do the advent calendar for today. Today is number 20. So let's get it out. Oh, heavy one. Ah, this is interesting. It is a Swiss skincare. So Swiss is like a vitamin brand, I thought. Swiss skincare, Manuka Honey Daily Glow Foaming Cleanser with stabilized vitamin C, papaya enzymes for normal skin. Let's have a look. For the smell test. Oh yeah, that smells nice. Interesting. Oh, that will be a nice one to try. I might try that before I go to bed tonight. Nice one. All right, so I finished the binding on my quilt today, which I showed you, and I also stitched on a label onto the back. How cute is this label? It came on the panel. And I've just written on the label that it's the Dear Christmas Quilt for watching Christmas movies under, made by Nikki. So, yeah, It's a bit sweet, isn't it? I did end up finding enough of the green to bind it in the green. And I always hand stitch down my bindings. I just really enjoy the process of doing it that way. So yeah, there we go. I have a finish today. The other thing I wanted to show you before we call it a night is I thought I'd take you out and show you the puzzle that we started this afternoon. So let's go have a look at that. So this is the puzzle here. It's an elf puzzle, the Elf the movie. And we made a fair bit of progress for one afternoon. So there we go. Hopefully we'll even get it finished tomorrow. All a bit of fun. So it's actually getting quite late now, so I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to edit this and upload it, and I will see you in the morning. Bye.